Hey guys, it's Lisa here for the JayLi Life and welcome to my channel. So for this week's What's for Dinner video, tonight we are having Thanksgiving in June. We have buttered corn, mashed potatoes, candied yams, some homemade gravy, some buttered bread, some turkey, and some homemade cornbread dressing, all made by my sweet mother-in-law. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight we are having conchas con carne, which is conchitas con carne, and it has onions and bell pepper, and we're going to give it a squeeze of lime. So I just kind of wanted to show it to you up close. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight we're going to be making some fish tacos with a cabbage and lime crema sauce. So to this plate I'm just adding some flour. We're going to go ahead and salt it with some salt. Some pepper. We are going to add some paprika, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some parsley flakes, dried parsley flakes. And now we're going to grab a fork. So I probably added about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, maybe just a little bit more of the seasoning. And what you can do is actually taste it. So let's add a little bit more garlic powder. You can actually add, it tastes really good. You can add some more paprika for color. So you can actually taste it, your seasonings, when you already mix it into the flour like this. Okay, so now you want to grab a pan, just like this. And you want to go ahead and add some oil. So here I have my fish. This is tilapia fillets that I've already defrosted. My oil is getting ready, and I just slightly salted and peppered one side of the fish. So I have my mix back here. Okay, so I have my fish frying up over here. So here you're gonna need a little bowl, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our cabbage lime crema sauce. A quarter cup of sour cream. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Real quick, let's take our fish off of here. Try not to use tongs to take them out because the fish will break apart. It's such a flaky fish. Now let's go ahead and finish this. So to this, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lime juice, the zest of half a lime. Season it with about a quarter teaspoon of salt. Just like that. Let's go ahead and mix this. And now to this, you want to grab something like this, like shredded cabbage, or you can buy your own cabbage and just shred it yourself. So we're going to go ahead and open this little bag. They're already pre-washed. And we're going to add it to this. So let's go ahead and warm up flour tortillas. Today we're going to be doing flour tortillas. Let me show you really quick how you plate this. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut the fish in half. Now you're going to get that slaw mix that you made. And you're going to put some on here. Oh, I'm trying to make it look pretty. Okay, now with a sliver of avocado. Cilantro sprigs. Alright guys, so here are my fish tacos with a cabbage lime crema sauce. And then I went ahead and put some cilantro on top and some avocado. I hope you guys give it a try. And this is our dinner tonight, guys.